The 1999 Sierra here at the junkyard. Looks like it has the radio intact. It's got a cassette player there in the middle. No equalizer. And it's got the CDM up under there. So pretty good find. I don't know if I need anything else out of this thing. It's red, unfortunately. Old blue is blue. Nothing back there worth a shit. Alright, well, let me get started on the radio. Oh, nice. Hey, I just got the CDM out. It looks like we got 1607-2800 with the bracket. Like it's in pretty decent shape. Has the sideways heat sinks there. It's a little different. I'll have to check this one out. It's a pretty nice speedometer here. Got the Moonies. Here's an Oldsmobile. As is dealer warranty. I don't know if the warranty is still good or not. But once again, I'm going to search for radio. I don't know if that radio will work with my Chevy. I could take it out. Maybe I'll do that later. Alright. So here's an 88 Oldsmobile. See if this has there. Oh, as is, no dealer warranty. Let's put this right there. Alright, so this does look like it could have the radio CDM underneath, so I'm going to pop this out. See what we got. Yep, the Oldsmobile radio, it is not. I took a look at it behind here, and it is not the same type of radio, so I'm going to keep on looking. Here's a 96 Oldsmobile Sierra. It's got a radio like this. I don't know if it'll work either. Let's see how easy it would be. Try to take out. It's like just a couple panels there. I'm going to get after this. See if it works. Negative, this is not the same radio. So I did find another K1500 blue, but unfortunately the inside was pretty stripped. Really nothing left there. So that's it. And here's a summary of what I found at the junkyard. Starting off, here's the first thing that I got is the face unit here. Has the bass and treble buttons there, so no EQ required if you only care about these two channels. It's in pretty decent shape. The buttons are a little sticky. I've already tested it out in my truck, and I'm gonna have to work on the buttons a little bit. There might be a little problem with the contact pads. Moving on, also got the new gray buttons here for the headlights and the parking light. Also the dimmer switch here. So I just want it because it's nicer and it's gray, so it matches my interior. The one I have in there now is a replacement black buttons. Alright, next I also got the cargo lamp switch. I currently don't have cargo lights, but I do want this switch in case I wanted to use it as a kill switch in the future to protect against theft. A side note, I saw this little Mercedes hubcap cover here when I was working on one of the Oldsmobiles. So I decided to grab it. I'm going to clean it up, hang it on the wall. Why not? Something kind of silly. This is a fuse panel cover. It's red. Might paint this blue. Put it on there, but mine's missing. I have no idea where it went. It left the truck years ago. To go along with the radio, I also got the CDM out of there. So it is a 2800, a 1607 2800. It is an EQ model only, so I'll get in there, check, make sure the capacitors are okay, and see if it works. It's going to have to be cleaned a little bit. It's very dirty. And it comes with a bracket, which is a nice plus. Lastly, we got the speedometer out of there, the gauge cluster. So it has the Moonies here. So I got this as a backup. Mine's kind of fidgety. Sometimes the speedometer doesn't work at all. They'll say you're going 10 miles an hour, and then next thing you know it says 40. So I end up getting this. I can use it as a backup, or I can install it if I decide I like the Moonies just a little bit better. And it does have the same pins in the back. I already tested that. So it does fit. You know, as a bonus, I did get some documentation out of that truck. So if anyone needs these, just let me know. I can mail them to you. I don't have a 1990 Sierra, but it is pretty cool. It has the user manual stuff, everything for this truck. If you're missing this for your truck, just let me know. I can send it to you in the mail or something like that. I don't care at all. Well, that's it for today. That pretty much rounds up this junkyard excursion. I'll test this stuff and I'll let you guys know how it works out in the future. Thanks.